Are you wondering if it's time to replace your gutters? Your gutters play a crucial role in protecting your home from water damage. Over time, wear and tear can take its toll, compromising their effectiveness. But how can you tell when it's time to bid farewell to your old gutters? Let's find out. If you notice water dripping or overflowing from your gutters, especially during rainfall, it's a clear sign that your gutters are no longer doing their job. Leaks can damage your home's foundation, siding, and landscaping. Sagging or pulling away. Take a step outside and inspect your gutters. If you notice sections that sag or pull away from the fascia board, it's a sign of structural damage. This can lead to further problems, including water pooling and potential gutter detachment. Cracks and holes. Cracks or holes in your gutters are another indication that replacement is necessary. These openings allow water to escape in places it shouldn't, leading to water damage and erosion. Inspect your gutters thoroughly for any visible signs of damage. Peeling paint or rust. Notice any peeling paint or rust stains on your gutters? These are signs of deterioration that should not be ignored. Rust weakens the structural integrity of the gutters, and peeling paint indicates moisture damage. Mold or mildew growth. If you spot mold or mildew on your gutters or nearby surfaces, it's a sign of excessive moisture. Mold not only poses health risks, but it also suggests that your gutters are not properly channeling water away from your home. If you're experiencing any of these signs, it's time to seriously consider replacing your gutters. Neglecting gutter replacement can lead to costly repairs and potential damage to your home's foundation. When replacing your gutters, consider durable materials such as aluminum or stainless steel. These options offer longevity and resist rust and corrosion. Additionally, seek professional help from experienced gutter installation services to ensure a proper fit and optimal functionality. Remember, investing in new gutters is an investment in the protection and longevity of your home. Regular maintenance and timely replacement will keep your property safe from water damage and preserve its value. So don't wait until it's too late. Take action today and replace those worn-out gutters. Your home will thank you.